Hello friends, this video is about Sublist3r. When we are doing the recon activity, then finding out the subdomain is a very important task. Sublist3r helps us in finding the subdomains. It's an open source tool that makes use of several search engines like Baidu, Yahoo, Google, Bing, etc. and lists down the subdomains of the provided domain. If you want to use Sublist3r, then you just have to go to their GitHub repository and clone it into your system. Let's quickly do it. Just click over here, click over here. Now go to your terminal, go to your desired location. Let me go to here and just do git clone. This will clone their repository into your system. Once it's done, just switch to this directory. Let's see the content. As you can see over here, it has a Python extension, so you must have Python installed into your system before you can use Sublist3r. The syntax for it is pretty simple. Just type Python Sublist3r -d is used to denote the domain. For example, twitter.com. And if you want to check the real-time results, then you have to turn on the verbose mode, and it can be done by using -v. And if you want to store the output in a text file, just use -o and the name of the file, subdomain.txt, and hit enter. Now the Sublist3r has started to list down the subdomains. It will take some time. Till then, let me pause the video. Here subdomain is done with listing down the Sublist3r is done with listing down the subdomains, and you can see the result over here. If you remember, we provided -o for storing the output in a text file. Let's see how it works. Here is a text file that was created. Let's check the content. And you can see the subdomains that were discovered have been stored in this text file. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video.